What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video about my ear holes. I picked up 3 new plugs. 3. So we're gonna be doing a little unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what I got if you're interested, and check out my new earpieces. I just freshly stretched these a couple weeks ago though, so unfortunately I didn't even know this. They're all double flared. I know, horrible. I know in the ear stretching community, well, me personally, but I feel like there's a lot of others out there. Double flared plugs are like the worst thing ever. I mean, like the only time I've ever been able to fit a double flared plug in is like after I've stretched to the next size, I could do the previous size double flare in. So hopefully that changes with these because they're really cool. I'm not getting these anytime soon because I just stretched, like I said, but I figured what better time than to show you guys. So the first one I got here are these spider looking ones. Look how dope those are. I'm gonna take them out of the plastic if I can focus them here. Come on, I'm doing the YouTuber thing. Do it. Oh yeah, look at those. They're so dope. And when I opened these and I figured that they were double flared, I was so upset. I wanted to pop these bad boys in right away, especially since I'm all off the Spider-Verse hype. Look at these. They got like a little looks almost opal in there. I'll film it afterwards so y'all can see, but oh my gosh, they're so dope. I cannot wait to wear these. And they're actually like see-through too, with like a little web pattern if you can see. Look at that. The attention to detail on these are crazy. So, I mean, look at that double flare though. Like, jeez, how's anyone supposed to get that in? I'm gonna definitely try it after a few more weeks of having these bad boys in, but yeah, those are definitely hype. I love those. I think, let's see, those are really my first favorite pair. Those are my first favorite pair that I got, but I can't decide what my second favorite is. You know what? I'm a sucker for like stone texture, so I'm gonna have to go with these as my second favorite. These are like healing stones. Like they're amethyst. So I don't know how good those will work. You know, stones, all that stuff. Not a hater. Just don't know how much I believe in it. I mean, you know, someone convince me down in the comments. Convince me why I should believe in all this stone stuff, and I'll give it a look and I'll do some research. Maybe not. It's just gonna have to. You're just gonna have to see until next video. Maybe I'll be a stone freak or not. I can't open this. Okay, here we go. So yeah, these are the amethyst ones. I feel like these I'll be able to get in quicker because the flare's not as crazy. They're sick. Like, I didn't get them because they were healing, but I got them because I love like the opalite and the moonstone, and I just thought these purples were like nutty. Look how nice those look. It literally looks like a kitchen counter. Kitchen counter in my ear. You gotta love it. So, and then you see the size of the flare though. Gonna be a minute till I get those bad boys in, but don't they look so solid and nice? They're gonna look so dope in my ear, and if you hit the light on them too, that it goes through, they're so cool. I love it. I love them. 7/16 is a big size. Now, before I get into this last pair of plugs, I want to share a recent experience I had with these bad boys. I mean, look at them. How they're looking, guys. Earlobes are looking thick. You know, in my last video, or 2 videos ago, however many videos ago, where I was stretching them. You know, it was a good stretch. I had some irritation like the first day, but that's to be expected. It wasn't anything crazy. But right now, they feel great, nice and thick. I've been using my JoJo's oil. But something that did come up. I've been practicing martial arts I would say the past month and a half, maybe 2 months. And when I was at a 00, I would take out my plugs and it was fine. But these past couple weeks, you know, I didn't take these out because I just stretched and I wanted to leave them in so they could heal. And we were doing like practicing martial arts, like sparring with each other, and I had them in, and honestly, it was a nightmare. We were doing like headlocks and like kneeing people, like and your head is right next to someone, and then we would yank each other, and I just like sometimes I noticed the backing would fall out, and like I would rub against someone's shoulder, and my earring would be in it. I'm like, oh my god, this was such a bad idea. So I'm just kind of glad that it's been a few weeks, and you know, the healing process is probably about to be over, or is over. They don't, you know, I could take them out and they feel fine. So I think from now on, definitely just gonna take these out before each class. It was stupid of me to leave them in, but it would also be stupid to take them out after freshly stretching, so cut me some slack there. But yeah, I just want to share that share that experience. You know, maybe anyone else out there has stretched ears and they have done martial arts. So let me know in the comments below. That would be cool to share your tips and advice for practicing martial arts with stretched ears. I think that the main thing is just take out the plugs or your tunnels before you practice. I think that's pretty much like a pretty safe bet. You know, safe bet. Don't want to rip them open, and I don't want them to get infected. But you know, knock on wood, we've been fine so far. So yeah, just gonna definitely take them out next time. But yeah, without further ado, let me get into the last pair of plugs we got. You know, I feel like I might get some hate because I didn't say these are my second or my first favorite because they're pretty gnarly. And they're actually the most expensive ones, believe it or not. Here we go, open them up. They're like these glass, spaced out kind of ones. Like if you look inside, they're like a galaxy. I mean, that's pretty trippy. That's pretty dope. You know what, now that I look at them, maybe they are my second. Maybe they're my first favorite. They are gnarly. I really, really, really like them now that I'm looking at them up close. You know, I just don't think I gave them a proper chance. Let's look a little closer up here. Oh man, yeah, and the colors that pop out of that are so good. And the light, it's literally like a galaxy. But yeah, double flared again. It's like a weird double flare. It's like real quick. It's not like a taper. But yeah, cannot wait till my ears are maybe a little more stretchy. I got some weights that I could use, but I don't know how early I should put those in after I just stretched. But I really do want to break these bad boys out. I feel like I'm gonna be at 7/16 for a while, so I, you know, stocked up on some plugs so I can interchange them when I feel like it. Definitely not gonna stretch for at least another 6 to 8 months. I feel like that's customary. If I'm wrong, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little plug haul. I guess these are all plugs, no tunnels this time, except for the ones that are in my ear. The stainless steel that I got from Urban Body Jewelry. But yeah, guys, that was my haul, my unboxing, my tunnel showing offing. That's what that was. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which one was your favorite. I feel like I said let me know a lot of things in the comments this video, so you know, either make a bulleted list or maybe just answer one. Make it easy for me, you know, at least leave something. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Next video, also, I'm going to skate this weekend, so it's going to be a nice little edit with my boy Ian. His channel's right here. We're going to skate, we're going to shred, and it's going to be a good time. So, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.